I have so many tomato seedlings, and I'm just trying to stick the seedlings everywhere in my garden right now. Now this one I only have 4 of these plants, and this is the early cascade tomato, and it looks so pretty in the picture. um, and so I found a spot here in a garden raised bed, and I've dug up a hole, and then we are using an organic garden tone, which is, let's look for the NPK 344. So we're gonna amend the soil. As you can see, the soil is a little bit clay. I got this soil from a place that advertised their topsoil as a black gold for gardening on Facebook, and when we got it, it looks like this. And I've been amending this soil with compost. I've been mulching it. I've been amending it with some granular fertilizer as well every time I plant something. It's looking a little bit better now, but still needs some work. So I have here a couple of early cascade tomato seedlings. The other 2 have been planted, and so we're just adding this organic granular fertilizer. And this is what it looks like. Just drop it in there. I don't really measure it. I just take about a handful of it, drop it in the planting hole, and then mix it up with the soil. Now we're going to put our seedling here in the planting hole. Yay! Yay! And then we'll just fill it back with the soil. Now we're going to backfill the planting hole with some soil. Okay, now we're gonna water our early cascade tomato. We just water at the base. And then we're gonna mulch our plant. Just take the mulch back in here. And then we're gonna give it another spray of water to wet the mulch.